ಸೊ ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ 40 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 60 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟೆರಾಕೋಟಾ ಜಾಲಿನ ಯಾಕೆ ತಂದು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? ನಾಳೆ ದಿನ ಅದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾಯಿಶ್ಚರ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೊರೋಸಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
These kind of products won't act, how to say, won't absorb water at all because it's basically a concrete material. There would be a lot of chance to absorbing water. So we made sure no amount of water would enter into this product.
Okay.
So as per the strength, it is 3 or 4 times better than other jollies, and it won't break. So as long as the building stands, our products will stand by the building.
Oh really?
Yes.
Okay.
That
So,
kind of concept that we do have.
so you're saying about the strength
Yes.
and the corrosion.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And one more thing, the paint, of course, the biggest, I would say, our biggest strength is painting. Because, everybody likes color. So, if we have multiple choices in colors, why don't we just go for terracotta color?
Yes. ಸಮಸ್ತ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡಕವರ ಬಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಜೊತೆ. ಹೌದು ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ತಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಥರ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಗುರು ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ನನಗೂ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ. ಏನು ಜಾಲೀಸ್ಗಳಿರ್ತವೆ, ಜಾಲೀಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದರ ಬದಲು ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದನ್ನ ಬ್ರೀಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥವ್ರು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ವ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅವರು. ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಅಣ್ಣ ಸರ್ನ. ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
Namaste.
ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಸರ್?
Very fine.
Fine,
How are
sir.
you?
I am fine. And thank you for introducing a new product
Okay.
to Karnataka.
Thank you.
Okay, first ಸರ್ಗೆ
It's a very pleasure to meet you guys.
ಓಕೆ, ಸರ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ these are the bricks.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
These are the bricks or what, sir? What is this thing?
Sir, this one called breeze blocks.
Breeze blocks.
Breeze blocks.
Okay.
So commonly it was called as jali. Universal name. In India we call it jali.
Okay.
Okay.
So where are the places we can use these things then?
Sir, these things can use anywhere, like partition, elevation, compound walls, interior and exterior walls, wherever you want. That's wherever you need light. And that means wind flow, you can use this product.
Use this product.
Yes,
You
sir.
said in the compound also.
Yes, sir.
In compound we need strength.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can't use any like
Exactly.
lightweight material.
Exactly.
Jali also lightweight.
Yes.
If you kick it will break. So tell me sir, are these blocks are strong enough to like withhold in the compound also?
Sure, sir. Can you bring it? What would be the weight, approximate weight?
Around 2 to 3 kg.
4 kilograms and approximately
4 kg.
4 kgs.
It's a 4 kg.
4 kg.
Yeah, it feels also.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
These two models, this one is called Spectra, and this one is called Curl. We can use it as circle and square. That's it.
Okay.
Commonly used.
This is the basic one.
Yes, These two are exclusive for compound walls,
Compound walls.
where you need extreme strength. You can use these two products.
Can we run a car over this?
Yeah, you
It
can
won't
run-
break?
No, it won't. Because the strength of the materials.
ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಜಾಲಿಗಳನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಲಿವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ವಾಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಪಾರ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾನು ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ವಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸು 4 kg ವೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಕಾರನ್ನು ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಮುರಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಸರ್?
Sir, commonly jollies are manufactured by press mold type.
Yes.
Because once it's a mud or cement, they will put out in a mold and they compress it and they, how to say, dry it. But here we follow traditional conveyor vibration method because it allows the product to settle down in the mold for 24 hours.
Okay.
And we cure it for another 48 hours to ensure these kind of products won't won't absorb water at all because it's basically a concrete material. There would be a lot of chance to absorbing water. So we made sure no amount of water would enter into this product.
Okay.
So as per the strength, it is 3 or 4 times better than other jollies. Even
Normal
concrete,
jollies,
normal jollies, concrete jollies also. The, how to say, compressive type. This one have more durability. And the chemicals which we are using, or how to say, provided by IIT professors and all. So they are supervising our manufacturing process. So we are enough to deliver the perfect product, because we are exporting it to Bahrain, Qatar, Maldives, and Andaman is still in India, no problem.
Abroad countries.
Abroad countries,
Okay,
Singapore,
okay.
Malaysia, UAE, Bahrain, Qatar, and we do have inquiries from Gulf also. And one more thing is, normally if you want to go for jalis, it would come in either white, because it was made up of white cement, and other thing mud, that means terracotta.
Terracotta, like this, right?
It has painted. It's also the same, but it's
Okay.
painted. That's
Okay,
for
okay.
terracotta color, it's painted. So you can add different colors. See how vibrant color it is.
Yes, yes, yes.
It would be vibrant. You can't think how magnificent it would like.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 24 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಮೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 48 ಅವರ್ಸ್ 2 ದಿನಗಳವರೆಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ತದನಂತರ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ನೀರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
The normal how to say jolly would come in this color only. We have to we are giving the painting options. As far as we know, we are very colorful people.
Yes,
in
sir,
Indians,
yes, sir.
we are colorful people.
Yes, sir,
We
yes,
like colors very much.
Yes, sir.
So this option would, how to say, elevate your residence into another level.
ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಕಲರ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಪೇಂಟ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಗೋನು.
No, sir. That's why we are adding expensive chemicals for long life of the paints. So we are just not a normal manufacturer. We need to, as we are exporting, we need to, how to say, follow a certain norms. For every week, this should go to a lab. In fact, the lab is in Bangalore itself. We have to send them to the lab, get the results, and we have to, how to say, send the reports to our customers. Then only they would place the order. So we are following a lot of norms.
Okay,
Norms in the sense, we will ensure the quality that you deserve.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತಂತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಾದಂತ ನಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರೀತಿಯ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು.
Yes, available.
ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಸಂಬಡಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ದ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸೆಂಡ್ ದ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್?
Sure, of course we can.
ನೋಡಿ, ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಂದ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇದುಗಳನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸರ್, ಮೈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಅ ಟೆರಕೋಟಾ ಜಾಲಿಸ್
Yes, sir.
ಇನ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಓಕೆ, why we need this, sir? Why we go with this thing? ನಾನು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಟೆರಕೋಟಾ ಜಾಲಿ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ, ನಾವ್ಯಾಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು? Why we go with your product, sir? Tell me.
Okay, sir. First thing, durability. Because I don't have any personal vengeance with any other terracotta jolly, but mud can be breakable.
Yes.
And it's not anti-corrosive. So for everything, so might be some in the shore side area, a lot of corrosion will happen. So these are anti-corrosive products and strength, and it won't break. So as long as the building stands, our products will stand by the building.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
That
So-
kind of concept that we do have.
So you saying about the strength,
Yes.
and the corrosion.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And one more thing, the paint, of course, the biggest, I would say, our biggest strength is painting. Because, everybody likes color. So if we have multiple choices in colors, why don't we just go for terracotta color?
Yes. And in terracotta jalis, there are these kind of structures also not available, sir. Designs also not available.
They might have. There are n number of
I haven't seen these numbers actually.
Okay,
This
okay,
kind of things.
And one more thing I just wanted to share with you. So there are two types of how to say products available for us. First, we have the regular ones.
This is the regular one.
Which have 100% finishing on the outer side, front side, and 70% on the back side. So if they want the finishing in rear side also, they need to put putty in it. Okay, so this is the one. And currently our new product, we launched a new products, which comes with double side finishing.
Okay. Double side finishing.
And it would be as smooth as a tile. You can feel it.
Yes, ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಫಿನಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಫಿನಿಶಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಬೇಕು, ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆನೂ ನೋಡಕ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೊರಗಡೆನೂ ನೋಡಕ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವೈ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹೋಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್?
So that's why the complete idea is how to say, to bring sunlight, natural sunlight to our home. Ventilation.
Yes,
That's because healthy lifestyle everyone wants to follow.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
for those things, we need sunlight and pure air. So we can't sit 24 hours in a closed atmosphere. Allow some sunlight and air to feel us. So we can feel us too.
All the jollies in this sizes only.
Yes, sir.
What is the size, sir?
Sir, it is 8 inches into 8 inches.
8 by 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
And the
okay.
thickness would be 60 mm. That's 2.5 inches.
2.5 inches.
2.5 inches.
8 ಇಂಚ್ಗೆ 8 ಇಂಚ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾ, sir.
ದಪ್ಪ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2.5 ಇಂಚಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು. Can you explain all the designs? This one is
This one is called curl.
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 Okay.
This one.
This is for compound only.
Yes, sir. You can use compound wall wherever.
Wherever.
But we how to suggest these two models for compound walls
Okay.
because of their exclusive strength.
Okay. This is also same, right?
Yes, sir. Exactly.
This one is square one is. This is for the also compound also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Compound specialized.
Okay, sir.
Sir, this one is called
This one is called swastik.
Swastik design.
Yeah.
Okay, okay,
As you know, like, swastik is a holy symbol for us. So this was maximum used by the traditional families. They want some kind of swastika in their house. So it's almost a major selling. How to say?
This is the major selling,
selling
ah,
model.
okay, okay.
It's one of the major selling.
ಓಕೆ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಂತೆ. ಇದು ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿಕ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಎದುರುಗಡೆನೆ ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿಕ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸರ್
This is called camera.
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ.
This was camera.
This looks like a camera. ನೋಡಿ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, So ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೆಲ್. ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ತರ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ತರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್
One is called flower.
ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್.
Yes, sir. Flower.
ಸೊ ಓಕೆ ಇದು
Flower with petals.
ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ಸ್.
Yeah.
ಓಕೆ what
And this is double stripe. We do have single stripe also, but this one is double stripe.
ಡಬಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಪ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಪ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ.
Single stripe.
ಸೊ ಇದು ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಪ್ ಕೂಡ ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಅಂಡ್
And this one is completely different because
what
the
is this
size is different. 8 into 12.
8 into 12
Windy W.
W.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is W.
Okay.
Windy.
Windy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like windy.
Windy.
Okay.
For commercial big projects and all, this is quite good.
Okay.
Because the strength, the weight, and look at the thickness, 1 inch more than any other thing.
ಇದು ದಪ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. And what is the size, sir? This is size
8 by 8, 12. Then this is only 3.5 inches.
Okay, 8 by 12.
Yeah, 8 by
8 by 12. ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ ಇದು 3.5 ಇಂಚ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ದಪ್ಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಯೂಸ್.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಜಾಲಿಗಳನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್, ಸರ್? ದಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್.
This is the traditional and iconic of all jolly lovers, the camp model.
Camp model.
Camp model. Someone call it as post box, whatever, but it's called camp.
Camp.
Yeah, camp.
ದಿಸ್ ಫಿಟ್ ಲೈಕ್
Yeah,
ದಿಸ್,
yeah,
ರೈಟ್?
of course.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಗಾಳಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ
Yes,
ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
sir.
ಏರ್ ಫ್ಲೋ
Yeah, of course. Airflow would be there, and some people don't want rainwater to how to say enter.
Okay.
So for them, and for it is like highlighting material. So if you put 10 there, you can place 2 or.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಳೆ ನೀರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗಾಳಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್.
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ವೆಂಟಿಲೇಷನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
Yes, sir.
ಟು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ರೈನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ.
Of course, sir.
Okay. This is called, what is this called, sir?
It's called camp.
Camp.
Very interesting because we sell more than 10,000 pieces in Bangalore itself only.
What is this called?
Cross time. This cross triangle, it's called cross time.
Cross tine.
Yes,
Okay. This is also very good, sir. Okay, fine. So can you just tell me about your company, sir? Mark Van.
Okay.
Tell me about the
Sir,
company.
we do have 4 years of experience in making jollies.
4 years.
4 years.
Okay,
And
okay.
it's not very long, but we do just from the very beginning itself, we gave our customers the perfect right product. And you can ask, so what would be the difference between other companies? Because the biggest strength is our quality. You can ask any of our customers. Our customers are our treasures because now 80% of our customers are coming from references. So we promise you a standard quality that you can now no one give it. You can get so how to say cheap jollies from anywhere, but I can promise, I ensure that you can't get this kind of quality materials anywhere else in the country.
Super. Sir, do you have clients in Karnataka also?
Yes, sir. We have sent it to Bangalore, Hubli, Shivamogga, and Mysuru, and various so many people.
And do you have any like dealers in Karnataka also?
Yes, sir. Yeah, we do have dealer in Bangalore, Bangalore, and someone else are coming. So it's of the because Mysore they are asking. So we are also looking for dealers in other than apart from Bangalore. We are looking for dealers in
currently looking for dealers also.
So in other parts of Karnataka.
So dealers kuda ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದಾರಂತೆ. I know Bangalore also so big, sir.
Yes, sir, exactly,
you can put so many dealers in
Yes,
Bangalore because demand is very high.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and can you supply high demands also, right? Take like
Exactly.
1,000, 2,000, 3,000 pieces
Sir, we can send 10,000 per day, sir.
ಪರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಓಕೆ 10,000 ಪೀಸಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಡೀಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಡೀಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 ಪೀಸ್ಗಳವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್?
Sir, 90 would be the minimum price.
90
90 would be the rest of the all products except these two. They would be 95. These two would be 95.
Okay.
And this would be cost around 150.
This is 150.
150
Leave it. It's the commercial.
Yeah, it's
thing,
commercial,
right? Okay.
and it's have maximum number of coverage. For per square feet, it needs 2.25 blocks to cover 1 square feet. 1 square. But it's one and of pieces is enough to fulfill 1 square feet.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
This one, the double side finish would be also 150, sir.
This is also 150. You put it on this.
Yes,
okay. ಸೊ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಇದು ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ 90 rupees ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ
Double side finish only to 150.
ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 95, ರೈಟ್?
This two are 95.
ಇದೆರಡು 95 rupees ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಬಲ್ ಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಅಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಏನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಇದು 150 rupees ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್?
Sir, it would be come around the same rate, around
150 rupees. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ 150 rupees. ಸೊ ಇವ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ 90 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವರ್ತ್ ಸರ್ 90 rupees? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವರ್ತ್? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ?
Sir, if you see the quality, because terracotta, there is a lot of cheap products, even something somewhere from anywhere of the country, you can have cheap products, but what's the point in it? Because we are how to say, we put all our savings and into a residence or
dream house. Oh yes.
So why should we go for just cheap products? We just wanted our sons, our grandsons to be live in that home, so that house should be long lasted.
Yes, you said right. So ಸಾರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಕನಸಿನ ಮನೆಯನ್ನ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ, ದೇರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ 40 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, 60 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟೆರಾಕೋಟಾ ಜಾಲಿನ ಯಾಕೆ ತಂದು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? ನಾಳೆ ದಿನ ಅದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾಯ್ಶ್ಚರ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೊರೋಸಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಥರನ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟು, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಸಾರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಹಾಗೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಸ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್.
Sir, I will promise, because I don't know how long I will live, but if I find my grandson, surely he will see this
thing. Yes, okay. It won't break, it won't crack, or it won't corrosion.
Yes, sir.
It's a lifetime product.
Yes, sir.
So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಇರೋವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಯು ಸರ್? ವಾಟ್
sir, just we are take orders from direct also, and we have moving it by dealers also. So this would be the price. So if you come directly to us, this would be the price. So this would be the maximum price. There won't be any difference in the prices.
Okay. There will be transportation charges will be there, no?
No, sir. It's with from there, from Bangalore, the domestic, that means the local transportation will be there. Our unit is in Tirunelveli.
Okay.
So that all of, if it covers it all, we will send. We will try to send it covered in that. Whatever money that you are
okay. And if you're sending through the transportation, if it's breaks and all, then what about this?
That promise I can give. Even you have how to say 2 or 3 or 10 or 20 or 50 or 60 or even 100 pieces damage, because transportation we don't know. We will replace it for at free of cost.
You take care of it.
Yes, sir.
ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಡೆದಾಯ್ತು, ಮುರಿದೋಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪೀಸ್ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಾರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದಾನೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಕ. ಸೊ ಒಡೆದೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮುರಿದೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸರ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯುವರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಯು, ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್?
Anyway, anytime, sir. We are open anytime.
All the time?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Even if the ring at 12 o'clock, we are ready to pick up. We are ready to serve our customers.
Okay. This is very good. And what is your upcoming product, sir? What is your future plans?
So we are planning to introduce more and more number of models. So I think we are in a talk with some of our, because this kind of molds not available in every time in the market. So we are this thing are personalized. It was customized.
Okay.
So these things are customized and silicon. So we do have some norms. So if they are willing to do, if they are how to say wanted to new model, they also can contact us.
Okay,
We can customize also.
Okay.
That's what I want to say.
ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಬಿಗ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ನ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಜಾಲಿಗಳನ್ನ ಅನ್ನೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬ್ರೀಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ಬ್ರೀಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸರ್, ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್, ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಐ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಐ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್.
Thank you.